how to see others' username on Facebook. Hello everybody. In this video we are going to show you how, so without any delay let's just jump right in. Open up your Facebook application first, and then once you open it up you should be finding this interface once you are logged in. Now from the home interface you can go ahead and locate up the profile just by searching for their name in the search bar or using their profile URL. So let's head over to one of the profile, for example this friend of mine, and you may just open up their profile. And in order to look up for their username, all you gotta do is tap on the three dot beside the message icon, and once you tap on it you should be finding a profile links right under their settings right here. So all you gotta do is we have this copy link option right beside the www.facebook.com slash, the last letters are the username of that people. So all you gotta do is if you wanna look out for their username or share their username, you can tap on copy link, or you can directly tap on share profile and share it through it. And that's it. That is how you basically find someone's username on Facebook following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.